In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage two-factor authentication on Robinhood and update your verification information. Let's start inside the Robinhood app. Open it up and log in as you normally would. This ensures you're on your home screen and ready to access your account settings. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This is where you can access your account details and make changes to how your information is stored. Next, head to the menu in the top left corner of the screen. Tapping that will open a list of options for your account. Scroll down until you see Settings and select it. Settings is where you'll find controls for personal details, security preferences, and device information. From here, choose Personal Information. This is an important section because it's where you can update your email address, your phone number, and details about your devices. Keeping this information accurate is essential for smooth logins and security checks. Here's an important note about Robinhood's security. The app automatically uses two-factor authentication on every account. That means you don't have to turn it on and you can't turn it off. Instead, what you manage is the contact information that Robinhood uses to verify it's really you. If your phone number or email changes, update it here so you don't run into trouble receiving verification codes when you need them. When you sign in on a new device, Robinhood will ask you to confirm it. You might be prompted to approve the login from your original device, or you'll be asked to verify using your phone number or email. This is a normal part of the security process and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. To complete the verification, check your text messages or your email inbox for a code from Robinhood. Enter that code in the app to confirm it's you and finish the two-factor authentication. These codes are time sensitive, so it helps to have your device nearby and notifications enabled. If you don't see the message right away, give it a moment and check your spam or junk folder. Also, make sure you're entering the code exactly as shown. Even a small typo can cause it to fail. And remember, never share verification codes with anyone. That's it. By keeping your personal information up to date and following the prompts when logging in from a new device, you'll make two-factor authentication on Robinhood work smoothly and keep your account secure.